From the top 5 emerged 3 brilliant winners. 9-year-old Jayla Smith from Mountain View Primary, 10-year-old Shamar Willis from Maxfield Park Primary, and 11-year-old Tristan Isaacs from the Jesse Paul Primary School. But only one took home the championship trophy.
The first place winner in the JIS Heritage Essay Competition 2013 is...
Numerous students entered this year's Heritage Essay Competition to share what they believe makes our Jamaican heritage special. From our food to our athletes, from our language to our people, the children had a lot to say.
One of the things that makes our Jamaican heritage special is our patois. Let me tell you about our Bashment heritage.
It's the people, the food, the music, the language, and our undying passion to succeed.
Though the Jamaica Information Service's #1 mandate is to be the primary source of government information, the organization continues to make room for the development of the nation's youth through its annual staging of the competition, which began in 2011. The 2013 ceremony was held recently at the official residence of the Governor General, and what a grand affair it was, packed with wholesome entertainment and an outpouring of gifts. The top 10 award recipients were presented with certificates from JIS and book vouchers from Sangster's Bookstore. And members of the audience were not left out. They received prizes for their knowledge of the host organization and Jamaica's heritage. His Excellency the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Allen delivered the main address. He encouraged all present to preserve our rich cultural heritage, especially aspects that deal with our native language. Then he revealed his surprise: more gifts for the child who knew the meaning of Jack Mandora, me no choose none, a phrase used at the end of Anansi stories. Do you know the answer? Well, these two got it.
Jack Mandora is said to be a Twi name for Heaven's Gatekeeper. Twi is one of the Ghanaian ethnic groups. And the statement that is addressed to him means, when Jack Mandora, me no choose any, I don't take responsibility for anything that is said in this story.
Or simply put, some may get it, some may sell it. Now on to the star of the competition.
The first place winner in the JIS Heritage Essay Competition 2013 is... Drumroll, please. Shamar Willis from Maxfield Primary and Junior High.
Shamar, the first male to cop the top prize, walked away with a weekend for 4 at Franklin D Resort, St. Anne, book voucher from Sangster's Bookstore, gift baskets courtesy of Lasco Distributors and Grace Kennedy, $15,000 in cash from National Commercial Bank NCB Foundation, a Samsung mobile phone sponsored by Digital Jamaica, a Samsung Galaxy tablet from Singer, and the JIS Championship Trophy. The planning committee of the JIS, headed by the Director of Production and Civil Servant of the Year, Miss Entros Campbell, outdid themselves.
From the development of the question, guidelines for entry, publicity of the program, vetting the scripts for eligibility, selecting the judges, engaging our sponsors.
Our sponsors, who have been unwavering in their support to us. You see how much you have done for the children of Jamaica. We thank you, and I know you will continue to support JIS.
We caught up with the winners as they mixed and mingled outdoors.
I feel very excited and thank God that I've made it this far.
I really enjoyed entering the competition, and to win all these prizes is just great.
I'm happy that I win all these prizes and thank JIS. Thank you very, very much.
The competition is open to any registered primary or preparatory school level student in Jamaica from July to October. So don't miss your chance to be #1 in 2014.